back. Favourite day at week again, Saturday morning. Not a bad day today. Not wall to wall sunshine, but it's pretty long. I won't get this place started today because it's a crap hole. I'm going to put all them trays together there and put them in this one tray. Stick them underneath someone over there because they're everywhere. Like. So that's what's going to be happening today. Big job that today. And then hoeing all the beds before I go back to work. And that'll do us. Peppers are looking grand, aren't they? Belted. Cucumber looks alright. I planted yesterday. Yep. Everything looking okay now. Oh, look at that. Our new gnome for that tree. Hang on. Let me set him up. So that was the tree. That's where he's going. I'll go put him down there in a bit. But that first. Right. Just before I do that polytunnel, because it won't take me long to do that. I won't sort out in here because these tomato plants, that one's over. These need thinning out at the bottom because all the leaves are in there, you see. They're lifting off the ground. They are bush ones, leave them bushy, but they need, them bottom ones need coming out, obviously. It's trailing all over, you see. So I'll clean them up. Uncle's Lord's just come on. Looking a lot better than it was last week. Just had a breathe. I've tidied all these up. Stripped a load off bottom, can you see? So there's a bit more air from there, they might grow upwards. I've stripped a few of the leaves off bottom. And I've tied them all up. Now I'll be needing some more canes for these, so we'll not carry them on. But we'll have to get some canes from shop, because theirs are all crap, about 20-year-old. This one, this giant, I don't know what's happened then, but the top was hanging off. So I've cut it off because it was all jagged. So we'll have to open other arm goes out of there. This one's okay. Yeah, need some more stakes on this side too. Need another tomato plant for there too. Right. What's that? Something we don't want. What's that? That's something we don't want. That one. See that? Where was that cabbage? There. Stick that one in there. See what develops with that. Take them bottom leaves off. Because if you leave them bottom leaves off, and the grass out, there's this trail on the ground and you can get disease. There's this damp in here most of the time. Oh, that cucumber's taking off there, isn't it? Melting. Yeah, so they look better now. Bloody done cairns then. My next one was a wren then. There's a little wren on here. Yeah, so next job started this place. There you go. Man of my word. I pulled 2 more bags of rubbish out of here. So that stuff's together now, hot potting stuff, food, big trays, watering trays. Everything's neat over there. I've just weeded that bed. Took a couple of spuds out. Henry will be watching for her them at morning. Yeah. So it's nice and tidy in here now again. So mission complete there. This one's okay. I'm looking at this leaf curl and I think they're getting overwatered, these. So I think it's every 2 days watering, unless it's really warm. Cut it down to every 2 days, feed once a week. We'll try that for a couple of weeks, I think. So I'll not water today, Henry. You water tomorrow. Leave it Monday. Water Tuesday. Leave it Wednesday, then I'll be home. A little bit of water on Thursday. This Friday, yeah, that'll do. That's the only thing I can think. It's not too hot in here. It's not too cold in here. In fact, it's just right. But leaf curls normally overwatering. Well, that's normally the main reason. So I'll leave them today. Henry water them tomorrow. And then so on. Every other day. Let's look at them in greenhouse. I don't think they're looking too bad. Yeah, they're looking okay. Well, they do want watering every day, but the ones in there don't, because obviously it gets warmer in there, doesn't it? Glass house. I'll find somewhere to put them now. Right, done in here. They don't need watering, because they don't get watered in pots, they just get watered in that. At least damp enough. It's not going to be overly warm today, I don't think. Better open that up back up now. Yeah. Move about a bit better in here now. Right. Brewing a fag before I hoe all these beds. Another half an hour and then I should be done. Not so bad. Same as I did that one yesterday, I earthed them up. So I dug the channels out. It's not really that bad, but I'll disturb soil. That's all you have to do. Keep that soil disturbed and then the weeds can't get a grip. So every couple of days, all the beds. You'll never have weeds in your beds. Very few anyway. See that? Not done that for 2 days, but I did it 2 days ago now. Look in there. See them weeds? There's a couple in this side, but if you leave that another couple of days, they'll be full of weeds. So I'll just disturb them. Don't take them off, just knock the heads off them. So, if I'm gonna breathe. Some stuff goes right over my head, you know what I mean? But some stuff really beggars beyond belief. So I've just gone for check temperature in here. Somebody's nicked the mercury out. Look at that. They've actually took the pin out of there and the bottom one and slid it out. Now how pet is that? You know how much that cost? $1.99 from pound shop. I don't believe some people me. Oh my god. Right, so there's going to be a lock on here. And key will be in there for Henry. Because I just cannot believe that. Can you believe that? Some people. They'll pinch anything, won't they? I'm sure they'd pinch milk out of your cup of tea if they could. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Let's have a brew. Oh, there you go. That's just took me exactly half an hour. Oh, I've not done these two, sorry. I'll do them in a minute. But that's every bed weeded. All I did is just use that all with the hinge on. Well, that's half an hour and I can sit down and have a brew. Always look better when they've been weeded, don't you? You can see the plants better. Here's what I'm on. What's that? Must be a loose one. Oh, I've not done that either. I'll do that in a minute. All weeded and all weeded. That one's been done. That's not, can you tell? And all these have been done. So that's me happy, go at work again. Weed free, watered up, horse's tail there I can see. Two horses' tails. Two clean tunnels. And all happy plants. So that's me go at work happy. So it's only short on this morning, but that's me about done. I'll go home now and I'll see you next week. No doubt there was some other big job cropped up by then. hopefully not. Everything should run smoothly. I'll find somewhere to put that. So I'm going to weed that pea bed and weed these 2 flower beds. And then off I go. So I'll see you next week.